This is Celebrate You kit from Altenew. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. This kit will help you create stunning projects that will help you celebrate someone's very, very special day. The kit includes Celebration Stamp and Dime Bundle. The stamp set features beautiful hand-drawn images and lots of sentiments. The coordinating die set will enable you to cut out the beautiful images perfectly. Watercolour Strokes wide washi tape is also included, as well as rose gold embossing powder, Moonlight confetti sequin mix, and Celebration 6x6 paper pack. The Celebration 6x6 paper pack includes 24 double-sided sheets of £80 pattern paper, featuring 12 unique designs. For more information about Celebrate You kit and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.